I'm Queen V and welcome to my unboxing and mini review of my new Chloe Faye bag. But before that, if you are interested to know how I curl my hair, I use this bed head. So it's quite different. So it's thin here and quite thick here. So using this will have this result. Okay, so today I'm going to review my Faye bag which I bought from Adora. There is no Chloe store here in the Philippines, and Adora sells designer items, not only Chloe but they also have Valentino. Before they have this Louis Vuitton, but since there is already a Louis Vuitton shop in the Philippines, so they are not selling that anymore. They also have Rimowa and other designer brands. Adora is quite similar to Rustans or Nordstrom or Farfetch in the US. So they carry various designer items. This is me doing my usual window shopping here at the Shangri-La Mall. This is the Adora store located at the lower ground of the new wing of the Shangri-La Mall. There are two branches of Adora, one here and the other one is in Greenbelt 5. So that's me entering the store. As mentioned, they have Valentino brand. So they carry the iconic stud shoes. These are the closed shoes. And they also have the open sandals. Okay, so they are very nice and but so expensive. And then iapak mo lang sa lupa. And then they have this Rimowa luggage. So if you want to travel in style, go get one. That's my son waiting for me who is bored to death. And then this is the Chloe area. So they have the Chloe shoes. They have the Chloe bags. And then that bag is the Marcy bag. So everything you see in this corner is Chloe. Okay, and then on the left side, these are the Valentino sneakers. And they have this Rockstud bag. They have the shoes as well, the sandals. These are the new style, made of jelly sandals of Valentino. They said that's the new version. Okay, so today, here is the bag that I'm going to show you. So the bag is quite big. So let us unbox this. Okay. So the box is not Chloe, so it's Adora. It's a very big box, but the bag is just so small. So let us unbox this. The one that I bought is the latest version of Faye bag, which the entire bag is made of leather. Because the first version of this bag is that the flap is made of suede. So this is the Chloe Faye bag. This is in medium size and in beige color. So inside is the shoulder strap which is adjustable. So let me attach it to the bag. Okay, so it is very easy to attach. Okay, so that's the length of that strap. So inside, it has three main pockets, which you can easily organize your things. And these pockets are expandable. And what I have here is the certificate of authenticity. Okay, so it has a zipper inside. So that is the magnetic closure. Okay, so you can use it as a handbag. And at the same time, you can use it as a shoulder bag. By the way, the ring loop with chain, that one, that is a trademark of this Chloe Faye bag. Okay, and you can use it as body bag. So isn't it nice? Okay, so it's very light and the color is just perfect. So now let's test the functionality of this bag. So this is the bag. By the way, it has a Chloe logo here. Let me just soften my voice because our fur baby is sleeping. Okay, so these are the usual things that I bring when I go out. So my pouch, my wallet, my coin purse, my alcohol, my power bank, and my car key. So this is my bag. So let us put everything here and let's see how it looks when it's already inside the bag. So as mentioned, this bag has 3 compartments. 1, 2, and 3. So let me put my wallet here. Okay. There. And then by the way, my pouch contains various items. So I have my earphones, I have extra face mask, I have my cable charger, and then I have my lipstick, and I have another extra face mask. So let me just close this. Okay, so now let me put it here on the second compartment. It's quite bulky, okay, but when it's inside, it's already okay. And then my pink coin purse. So let me put it here where is my wallet as well. And then my power bank. And I will put my car key inside this pouch where the zipper is located. And let me just close this. Okay. It's very hard to show when you are videoing yourself. You're just alone doing this. So, okay. So basically, everything fits. So let me close it. And it's quite bulky, but it's still light. So let me just wear this. Okay, so this is how it looks when it's full. Okay. I find this bag very simple and yet elegant. It's very feminine and it's so classy. So you can wear this with any color outfit. So like for example, I'm wearing beige, so it looks very class. Okay, this is my very first Chloe bag, and I believe the price is not that expensive as compared to YSL or Louis Vuitton. I bought this at 108,800 pesos. And they also gave me vouchers. So I was trying to negotiate, but they said that they can just give me vouchers. So in Adora, when you purchase something, I think it depends on the price or the cost of the one that you're buying. They will give you vouchers, which you can use on your next purchase. So I believe this is 10,500 pesos. So I can use this on my next shopping. I actually don't have plans of buying a bag. I just bought this without planning. So I was there in Shangri-La waiting for my son because normally I am fetching him every Saturday. And while waiting for him, my usual window shopping. And then I find this bag and I find it so attractive. So I bought this. So now I have this Chloe Faye bag. Isn't it nice? Since this bag is semi-structured, so it's good to use this casually or even if you are attending business meetings. Okay. The size is just right. Okay, so that's my unboxing and review of this bag. I just hope that you find this video useful, especially if you are eyeing to buy a Chloe Faye bag. So, till again, this is Queen V saying, be amazing in your 50s. Thanks for watching. Bye!